Kermit meets Peaches and Zuko. It was crazy before when he landed on this cage. He went in like attack formation and he had like his wings spread out and like up in the air. He keeps puffing himself up to try and intimidate. Look what he's doing. But before they were like way up in the air. I think he's a bit nervous of these new birds. He's a little scared of them, I think. Or a little intimidated by them. Don't worry, Kermit. It's okay, bud. It's okay, bud. Don't worry. They're not here to take me away from you. Or to take Ali away from you, or your food. You eat different food. They're just here to be friends. He's trying to figure out what they are. Like, where do these guys come from? Why did me fluffing myself up to look like a big cotton wool ball? Why did that not scare them away? Mm-hmm. Come on, bud. I wish I got a photo of it before. Never seen him like that before. He's obviously trying to make himself look big. Nope, come on, scoot out of the way. I don't want you to poo on him. And he's there like, I don't care. Let him poo on me. And my beak's much bigger than his beak. Come on, Kermit, it's late now. I need to put you all to bed.